Sanitize your hands using Tek hand sanitizer before beginning the donning process. IMAEC MEDNTEK brings to you SafeMode surgical reinforced gowns. The gowns are available in various sizes and in both spunless and spunbound, melt-blown, spunbound, SMMS fabrics. The pouch containing the gowns are ETO sterilized. The gowns are ideal for use in the operating rooms and all the critical care areas of the healthcare facility. The gown should be removed from the sterile pouch in a controlled environment and donned with the assistance of an OT nurse or technician following the donning method recommended by WHO. Subsequent to donning the gown, don the sterile gloves as per the guidelines of WHO. IMAEC MEDNTEK also offers B Blue coverall suits. The suits are available in various sizes and is made of laminated breathable films LBF, which is highly effective and an efficient filtering material. The pouch containing the B Blue coverall suits are ETO sterilized for extra protection. Once surgery is completed, SafeMode surgical gloves should be doffed off as per WHO guidelines, following which B Blue surgical gown should be doffed off as per WHO guidelines.